Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Google Ad Manager. So we are going to start. Type Ad Manager dot, so this is the URL, this one here. Press enter. Choose your email address. From here, click Get Started. So from here, if you are a web or video publisher, you just click, select. If you are an app developer, you select App Developer. If you are a channel partner, you also select Channel Partner. Okay, I'm gonna choose web or video publisher. And then from here you click continue. Okay, web and video publisher, select 0 to 1 million, 1 to 5 million. I'm gonna say 0 to 1 million. Are you looking for any of the following feature? If not, select one. Central place to monetize different channel or devices, website, mobile web, mobile app. So I'm gonna select this one. And from here, do you have an existing Google AdSense? Remember, this is mandatory. Before you apply for Google Ad Manager, you need a Google AdSense. Okay, I'm gonna select yes. What industry does your business fall into? It's in news, publishing. Where is your business based? Click Africa. Click Save and Continue. They say you are eligible to sign up for Google Ad Manager. Click Sign up for Ad Manager. Choose your email account. I would like to receive email for optimization. You can select your country. Read term and condition. Accept. Click Save. So you can just click next. Got it. Over. So this is how you sign up for Google Ad Manager. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Ciao.